Hi everyone, it's Adele from REEP. Today I'm going to show you how to make plant shadow art that you can do in your own garden. Let's get started. For this activity, you will need some white paper, a pencil and colouring materials of your choice. I'm using pastels. Wait until it's a lovely sunny day and take yourself outside into the garden. Find a good spot with some interesting plants or a tree and place your paper underneath so that their shadows are cast onto the page. Use your pencil to trace around the plant shadow. It's best to do this activity in the morning or late afternoon when the sun is not at its highest. Be creative with your artwork. Why not draw around multiple shadows and create a shadow garden scene? You can also use your colouring materials to add colour to your shadow shapes, like I'm doing here. Once you're happy with your shadow art, have a think about what you're going to use it for. I'm going to turn mine into a greetings card, but you could use it as a front cover to your notebook, a piece of art to hang on the wall, or why not even write a poem about shadows over the top. Enjoy making your shadow art this week. We'd love to see what you come up with, so make sure you share any photos with us at REEP by tagging us on Instagram and Facebook. Bye!